Picture on Microsoft Team is quite easy and simple. So it is a product of Microsoft, and if you change the profile picture on Microsoft, it will automatically change in your Teams app also. So you need to go to microsoft.com on any browser. In my case, I am going with the Google Chrome browser. And once you are here, you need to go and click on your profile icon at the right top corner and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once logged in, click on here, go to my Microsoft account and wait for a bit. So here we go. And once you are here, you need to go to the left, and here you can see your account. Click on your account. And once that is open, you have here an option of change photo. Click on change photo. Click on change. Upload any photo. Click on save. And now if you go to your Teams account and refresh it, you'll be able to see the new photo. Even you can see here are two photos, but if I refresh it, and you'll be able to see the new photo on your Teams app also. So hope by doing so, you'll be able to change a profile photo or profile picture on Microsoft Teams. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.